Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Stir-fried chicken is one of the easiest and simple dishes that you can prepare with chicken in just under 30 minutes. So today I'm going to show you a nice and flavorful curry leaves chicken fry. This is very tasty and has a nice punch of the curry leaf flavor. So let's get started and check out this delicious curry leaf chicken fry. We first have to prepare a nice masala powder for this recipe. For that, I have washed and air-dried a bowl of roughly about 2 handfuls of fresh curry leaves. Transfer them into a pan and dry roast the leaves until they are slightly browned. Once they are crispy, transfer them to a plate and let them cool down completely. To the same pan, add about 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoons of fennel seeds, a piece of cinnamon, 7 to 8 cloves, 3 cardamom, 2 teaspoons of peppercorns, 7 red chillies, and mix well and dry roast for about 3 to 4 minutes to get a nice aroma. Once done, transfer them to the plate with the curry leaves and cool them down completely. After all the ingredients are cooled down, transfer it to the mixer jar and grind them all to a nice fine powder. You can keep the masala powder aside. You can also store the excess in an airtight container. Now for the chicken fry, take a white kadai or a wok, add about 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Next add 2 large onions finely chopped. Also add about 4 green chillies slit. You can adjust the spice levels according to your preference. Saute until the onions are golden brown in color. At this stage, add about 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Make sure you use freshly pounded ginger garlic paste for a nice flavor and aroma. Now add 2 medium-sized tomatoes to the kadai and mix again. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder for the gravy. After 2 minutes, add 1 kilo washed and cleaned chicken with bone. You can also use boneless chicken if you want. Mix the chicken pieces well with onions and tomatoes. Make sure the chicken is coated fully with the masala. After the chicken is no more pink, cover the kadai with a lid and cook the chicken for about 5 minutes on medium heat. You can see that the chicken has released a lot of juices after 5 minutes, so there is no need for you to add any extra water here to cook the chicken. Now add about 2 teaspoons of curry leaves masala powder to the chicken and mix well. We are going to add it gradually and cook the chicken. Increase the flame to a high and cook the chicken pieces. Now I am adding about 1 teaspoon of salt after checking for seasoning. Also add about 2 spoons of the curry leaves masala powder to the kadai and mix it all well. As you can see, the masala is coming together so beautifully. If you like this loose consistency, you can turn off the heat and serve the chicken as is. But if you're looking for a stir-fry kind of dry consistency, you need to cook the chicken until all that excess moisture has gone. After all that excess moisture has evaporated, your chicken fry will look like this. Now lastly, I'm adding 1 spoon of curry leaves powder for a nice aroma. Give it all a quick mix and add some fresh curry leaves on top. You can turn off the heat and transfer the chicken to a nice serving plate. That's it. Our curry leaves chicken fry is ready to be served nice and hot. Chicken fry tasted amazing with all those nice flavors of the curry leaves. Now you can see it's a very simple dish and you can prepare this masala powder ahead of time and you can store it in a nice airtight container and use it for up to 1 or 2 weeks. Now this chicken fry you can enjoy as is or you can enjoy it with some nice sambar or rasam rice. So do give it a try, let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.